I'm Brad Halston, owner and chef at the Burger Dive in Billings, Montana. Today, I'm going to show you how to make burger sliders. All right, so I've weighed out 2 ounces of ground Angus chuck. I'm going to take a piece of wax paper, I've got it sitting on one, put it over the top. Then I've got my elaborate patty press, which is simply a lid that I found in my drawer back there. Going to just take that, put it right over the top. Smooth it out, and there you go. Perfectly pattied 2-ounce patty for our slider. It's ready to go on the grill now. We'll go ahead and season it with my kosher salt, black pepper, onion powder, paprika mixture. I'm going to go ahead and cover it with a grill lid. That's going to keep the moisture in. This little patty is going to want to dry out if we don't do that, so I'm going to cook it covered. Alright, that's looking ready to flip now. Go ahead and flip it. I'm going to season again on this side. I always season both sides. It's going back underneath that hat. No more than 1 to 2 more minutes. I'm going to go over here on our little mini bun, right on top of the pickles. Then we're going to keep it pretty simple. Just a classic little mustard. A little ketchup. And that's it. Just remember, you can get creative in the kitchen when you're making burger sliders. Find a little mold, little lid, something like that in your drawer. Mold it. You got a 2-ounce patty ready to go. It's going to be awesome. I'm Brad Halston. Check out theburgerdive.com. Thanks.